Oh, baby. Thank you very much to Manscaped and ExpressVPN. I'm sure you guys will love those services as much as I do. And there's more to talk about here, including this story, which caught my attention this morning. Dance for Love. This was a situation, I guess it was on Chinese social media. There's a woman, she posted a video of herself dancing in front of her sick husband. And she's doing some kind of one of the popular dances. Like it looked like it would belong on TikTok or whatever.
Oh, okay. Trendy dance.
Douyin.
Is this sad?
Oh.
This looks really sad.
Hey, man. So anyway, her husband is in a vegetative state. He had a stroke, I think, in 2019. And so he's in the back there. And so she posts this video. She's doing dance moves in front of him. And then the immediate reaction on social media was like, how dare you? Mm-hmm. That's so rude.
Well, yeah, that's my feeling as well.
Right. But it turns out upon further investigation that she has been essentially the primary caregiver for this guy since 2019. And it's part of their routine that she gets up, tries to move him around a little bit, does a little massage.
Oh, okay.
There's a video that emerged of the whole thing, which was a lot more than her dance portion.
Oh, okay.
And she claims, or she's kind of famous now because of that clip going viral. But people were really harsh. One of the comments was like, you're dancing in front of him to piss him off so he dies so you can get a different husband.
Whoa.
That was one of the comments.
That's heavy jump. What are you saying?
And here's a quote from her. I only meant to share our routine about fighting illness. It never occurred to me that it would trigger criticism. But from another perspective, this has made me famous, and there's nothing wrong with that. He spent 2 months in a vegetative state after he was admitted to hospital with a weak heartbeat, where doctors said he had a brain hemorrhage. Now he can communicate with simple finger movements. Now take the name of the girl in this article, go up to the top. You need the full name. Very top. There you go. Right there. And I'll show you the video clip. I don't know why South China Morning Post didn't post the video clip. That's a little bit strange to me to begin with, but you can find it here. Click on the videos tab. Now that you have the name. Maybe get rid of the word dance. And there it is. Okay, so this is
probably in Vietnam.
Yeah, so it's been reposted, the video, which was originally on Chinese social media. But you can play it here, and you can get a better idea of exactly what it looked like. Otis, get out of the way. Otis is trying to eat the
mouse,
mouse cursor. So anyway, it blew up to the extent that it got international coverage in a number of countries. So this is the dance. Does this change anybody's impression?
Is this on like Douyin, the TikTok?
I don't know actually which
version?
social media it was posted to originally, but something like that, I think it's fair to say.
Oh, weird.
But then it shows the remainder of the routine here. There's a massage going on, and
Okay.
It's a tough gig.
Yeah.
The carrying and whatnot. She's cleaning out his airways, and does she get to do a little dance?
Yeah, make her job a little bit more fun.
Does she get to do a little dance here and there?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think intent is very important for like this video. It's not just her doing a dance. Like the intent is she's taking care of her husband and having a little fun while
She gets to do a little dance.
Yeah, nothing wrong with it.
Because there was a clip, I remember, a viral clip. It was a few months ago, maybe a year ago. It was like a teenage girl in front of her dying grandfather doing something like that. Some kind of dance. But trying to do it in like a sentimental way. Because that's how teens communicate.
Right.
Is the dance move, and then it like says something. Or
That's how they communicate.
That's how they communicate.
Like in high school, everyone's just like dancing.
You just look across and just like. listen, what do I know? What do I know? But anyway, this was a weird one where people thought it was one thing. It turned out to be another thing. Well, I don't know what the lesson is. Maybe people are really quick to react thinking they know the whole thing.
Right.
It's like the knee-jerk type of response. We're bombarded with information. It's all transmission, reception. There's not a lot of time to really
Until the next thing hits you.
comprehend.
Yeah.
So you just go, boom, come with your feedback, move on to the next thing, etc. Screw this person. And then it turns out that she's already doing something a lot of other people wouldn't sign up to do. I mean, the hospital told her, hey, this is what it's going to look like for the next however. And she's like, I'm going to take care of him.
Wow.
I'm going to take care of him.